Hello everyone. Again, today we have another new good news to discuss with you, which is regarding the new vaccine in the world, which is Sputnik Light. This is the single shot version of Sputnik V vaccine, which has been released by Russia earlier. Earlier, we have already seen that this Sputnik V vaccine has been released by Russia, which is a two-dose vaccine. Okay, it is having two different antigen. In one dose or the first dose, they will be giving one antigen, and in the second dose, they are giving another antigen. Okay, so if you are looking at the antigen, which are all the antigen, in the first dose, they are giving RAD26 antigen. Actually, this is a recombinant human adenovirus. That is why recombinant adenovirus 26 antigen, and in the booster dose they will be giving RAD5, that is recombinant adeno antigen 5. Okay, so these are the two component of the first dose as well as the second dose. In Sputnik 5 they will be giving two doses. In one they will be giving RAD26, and in the booster dose they will give RAD5. Okay, so this was the components of the two doses of vaccine. This was released by Russia earlier and was available in India also. Okay, we have already consumed a large number of Sputnik V vaccine from Russia and started distribution also. And now comes the entry of Sputnik Light vaccine. Okay, this is a single dose vaccine, and in this vaccine they will be giving RAD26, that is the first dose component of the Sputnik V vaccine. I told you that in Sputnik V vaccine there are two doses, and in first dose they are giving RAD26 component. Okay, so in the Sputnik Light also they will be giving the RAD26 component of the Sputnik V vaccine, but they are saying that this is much effective. With the first dose itself, the person will be getting enough immunity. Okay, so on May 6, Russian Health Ministry approved the use of this vaccine, and in their trials it is said that the efficacy of this vaccine is 79.4% after 28 days of vaccination. Okay, and the best advantage is that this can be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius of temperature. Okay, so this will be very helpful for countries like India, where too much refrigeration is not needed for the vaccine. Then the production will be done by many countries like India and also South Korea, China, as per the Russian report. Okay, and as per the Russian report, it is said that this vaccine or Sputnik Light will be working against all the existing mutated form of COVID-19 virus. Okay, so in India now we have having second wave of COVID-19 virus, and they are saying that as per their research or their clinical trials, it will be effective against all the variants of COVID-19 which is existing in the world now. And they are assuring that so far they have not found any adverse effect with the vaccination of this Sputnik Light vaccine, and they have completed all the 3 trials, and they have did all these trials in UAE, Ghana as well as Russia. Okay, and the most important point is that the price of this vaccine is less than $10. Another advantage of this vaccine is that we will be able to vaccinate a larger population in a shorter time with this vaccine in a faster rate. Okay, actually most of the vaccine now available now in the country has 2 doses. Both Covishield as well as Covaxin have 2 doses, and India is trying hard to get really finding it's difficult to vaccinate this population because it is having 2 doses of vaccine. Okay, So with the introduction of one dose vaccine, it will be easy for India to vaccinate its population in a faster way. Okay. And another point is that even though Russia has introduced and the Russian health ministry has approved this vaccine, India government is still looking into this vaccine for its efficacy and its trial results, all those things. Okay, so our health ministry will be looking into the details of this vaccine, Sputnik Light, and later they will, as fast as possible, they will be telling whether this vaccine can be produced in India or not, and whether this vaccine can be used for the Indian population or not. Okay, and we are waiting for the result, decision of the government, Indian government to come, and hope this will be coming soon. So that's all about this Sputnik Light vaccine. Thank you.